In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get effects on Google Meet. Whether you want to add a little flair to your work meetings or just have some fun with friends, Google Meet's effects can add that extra punch to your video calls. Let's dive straight into how you can get this done in no more than 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. It's straightforward. Just type Google Meet into your search bar and hit enter, or go directly to meet.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Once signed in, you'll immediately see the option for New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see a few options pop up. For our purposes today, let's select Start an Instant Meeting. This option will launch a new meeting window, placing you directly into a video call. It's as simple as that, and now you're ready to start playing with some effects. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the lower right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots lined up vertically, representing the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and among the options that appear, you'll find Apply Visual Effects. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to a new menu dedicated entirely to visual enhancements and effects. In the Visual Effects menu, the first thing you'll see is the Filters option. It's time to click on it and explore the different video filters Google Meet offers. From here, you're free to experiment with all the creative and fun filters available. You might find something that adds a professional touch to your call, or maybe you'll choose something that brings a laugh to everyone's face. The choice is yours. Just click on any filter to see it applied to your video in real time. Trying on different filters can liven up your Google Meet calls, and finding the perfect one is simply a matter of scrolling through the options and selecting what catches your eye. Whether it's a slight blur to make your background less distracting, or something more whimsical, each filter has its unique charm, and that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can transform your next Google Meet call with a range of video effects. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how a simple effect can make your video calls more engaging and entertaining. Remember, it's all about enhancing communication, whether it's for work or play. Happy meeting!